Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome, my lovely people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. I welcome you back to today's wonderful program on Asụsụ Igbo Amaka. Welcome back to today's lecture, and I hope you all enjoyed your wonderful weekend. I'm sorry I have to come a bit late, but today we are going to have a very wonderful and interesting topic on names of animals in Igbo. How do we say it in Igbo? Aha ụmụ anụmanụ. Aha ụmụ anụmanụ. Aha ụmụ anụmanụ. Aha ụmụ anụmanụ. Aha ụmụ anụmanụ is names of animals in Igbo. We have the names of animals in Igbo. Names of animals in Igbo. Names of animals in Igbo. Yeah, we are going to reduce the capital. I wish it will be seen. Oh, I just wanted to be a bit bigger so that we'll be able to see it very well. Let me increase it a bit. Yeah. I think this is better. Names of animals in Igbo, which is aha ụmụ anụmanụ. Aha ụmụ anụmanụ. Animals is known as anụmanụ. Animals is known as anụmanụ in Igbo language. Names of animals in Igbo language. Aha ụmụ anụmanụ. Then we are going to make it so snappy. Number one. The number one is goat. Goat. And what is goat in Igbo? Goat is known as ewu. Ewu. And we know that ewu are of two types in Igbo language. We have the male ewu and the female ewu. Nwoke ewu and nwunye ewu. And so the male ewu, just like in a human being, will have a man and a woman, boy and girl. So like that, in animals, ewu, the male has his own name and the female has its own name. So, but the general name of them all is ewu. Then the male is known as mpi. Mpi. Then the female is known as nnewu. Nnewu. The male is known as mpi. The female is known as nnewu. We have goats, ewu, and in that ewu, the male of the ewu is known as mpi, the female nnewu. Then another set of animal is the fowl. The fowl. The fowl. The fowl is known as ọkụkọ. Ọkụkọ. The male of ọkụkọ is known as oke ọkpa. Oke ọkpa, that is the male ọkụkọ. Ọkụkọ nke nwoke wụ oke ọkpa. The male ọkụkọ is known as oke ọkpa. Then the female is known as nnekwu. 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 The fowl is known as ọkụkọ in Igbo language. And the male ọkụkọ is known as oke ọkpa. The female is known as nnekwu. Then we have the dog. The dog. The dog in Igbo language is known as nkịta. Nkịta. The dog is known as nkịta. And then we'll have the chicken. We'll have the chicken. The chicken. The chicken in Igbo language is known as ụmụ ọkụkọ or nwa ọkụkọ if they are much. Chick is known as nwa ọkụkọ. Chick is known as nwa ọkụkọ. Chicken is known as ụmụ ọkụkọ. Ụmụ ọkụkọ. Ụmụ ọkụkọ. Ụmụ ọkụkọ. Then we'll have the turkey. The turkey. We'll have the turkey. The turkey. The turkey in Igbo language is known as toro toro. Toro toro. Toro toro. Turkey. Toro toro. Chicken. Ụmụ ọkụkọ. Turkey. Toro toro. Then we have the duck. The duck. The duck. The duck is known as obogwuma. 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 The duck. Obogwuma. Duck. Obogwuma. Then we have the pigeon. The pigeon. The pigeon. The pigeon is known as nduru. Nduru or nduru. Nduru. Then we have the pig. The pig. The pig is known as ezi. 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 That is pig. Ezi. Pig. Ezi. Pig. Ezi. Pig. Then we'll have the cat. The cat. The cat is known as Nwolobo. 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 Cat. Nwolobo. Cat. Nwolobo. Then we have the lion. We have the lion. We have the lion. The lion is known as Odum. 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 Lion. Odum. Lion. Odum. Lion. Odum. Lion. Odum. And then we have the tiger. The tiger. The tiger is known as Agu. Tiger is known as Agu. The tiger is known as Agu. The tiger is known as Agu. So let's have a recap of what we've learned so far. Today, we've been able to hear the names of animals. Aha ụmụ anụmanụ ụfọdụ. Ụmụ anụmanụ anyị nwere riri nne. Ha buru ibu, they are much. But today, I just gave you the few of the ones that we are likely to see around us. So these are the ones we can see around us. Aha ụmụ anụmanụ. Anụmanụ ndị nke anyị nwere ike ịhụ n'akụkụ anyị. These are the ones I have been able to give you today. We have goat. And I told you that goat in Igbo language is ewu. And we have male ewu and we have female ewu. Anyị nwere ewu nke nwoke, nwee ewu nke nwanyị. Mgbe na-asị ewu nke nwoke a na-akpọ ya mkpi, male goat, mkpi. Ewu nke nwoke, mkpi. Female goat, nne ewu. Ewu nke nwanyị, nne ewu. But in general, both male and female is known as ewu. Then we also have fowl, which is called okuko in Igbo language. Okuko, okuko, okuko. And we also say that okuko has male okuko, that is okuko nke nwoke na okuko nke nwanyị, male and female okuko. And then we say the male okuko is known as okeopa. 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 Female okuko is known as what? Nneku. 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 Then we also have dog. Dog in Igbo language is called nkita. Nkita. We also have chicken. Chicken in Igbo language is known as ụmụ ọkụkọ. Ụmụ ọkụkọ. We have turkey. Turkey in Igbo language is known as toro toro. Toro toro. Toro toro. And we have duck. Duck in Igbo language is known as obogwuma. 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 And we have pigeon. Pigeon in Igbo language is known as nduru. Nduru. And then we have pig. Pig in Igbo language is called egzi. You see, egzi. Egzi. Ezi. Then we have cats. Cat in Igbo language is called nwologbo. 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 Then we have lion. Lion in Igbo language is called odum. Odum, Odum. And then we'll have tiger. Tiger in Igbo language is known as Agu. 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 Tiger in Igbo language is called Agu. Agu. So these are the names of some animals we can see around us. They are the names of some animals. Ihe a bụ ọtụtụ ụmụ anụmanụ ndị nke anyị nwere ike ịhụ n'akụkụ anyị. Ụmụ anụmanụ anyị nwere riri nne. They are much. They are much. But we are going to cut it off. Here we're going to just do these little ones today because I didn't want the lecture to be so big so that it will be easy for you to assimilate. So we have about, I think, 11 of them here. You try as much as possible to study them this week. Before weekend, this week we've just entered, you must have mastered them. At least yesterday, if you'll be able to, go through what we learned yesterday and the things we've just learned today, go through them throughout this week so that by weekend you must have mastered them, and then give space for the new lecture we are going to touch this weekend. So we are going to call it a day until sometime next week. Sometime this weekend. I wish to see you all here at Asusu Igbo Amaka, which is being held at Classic ZIZARA TV. So I thank you for staying tuned. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to share so that it will get to some of our Igbo people that cannot be able to speak Igbo language. At least this will go a long way for them to know some certain things. As we go ahead to learn, they will be able to master so many things in Igbo language. So thank you and God bless you. Meet you same time weekend. Until then, I remain your classic ZIZARA, and I say bye-bye for now. Bye.